of this seventh experiment is different types of network access transitions, including the static NAT, dynamic NAT, and the PAT. On a router to enable the private IP address to communicate with the external networks and verify the address translations using the Cisco. In this, we have PCS, one switches, and two routers, and the another one server. And the NAT is a method used to convert the private IP address into the public IP address. This allows the device inside the private network to communicate with external networks such as the internet. And the NAT also helps to save the public IP address and improve network security and hide the internal structures. And the type of IP or static NAT, dynamic NAT, and the port address translations. For IP address explanations, I have gave the piece for PC IP as 192.168.1.0 and 1.11 as a IP address, and the router 1 connects the private network to the public network, and the server IP address is 10.0.0.10. And at the step 1, you have to configure the server. So we have you assigning these IP address to configure it. And for the router, we have used these commands to assign the IP address in the internal interface, then configure the external interface. Next, enable the NAT inside and outside the interface. After that, creating an account access is to allow private network and the traffic. Finally, configure NAT overloaded. And assigning the IP address to the interface and the configure routing. This router connects to the server network. And setting the IP address in the subnet mask and the default gateway for the PC bus 0 and the PC 1. And for verification, we have to use these commands whether our configuration is working successfully or not. Command like show IP NAT translations, you can get it. And the command to like show IP NAT statistics. Spelling mistakes have been occurred. I have been leaving the ID and the statistics, and after correcting it, we can get into the NAT statistics. At last, we have to ping it, so we can choose any of the one PCs and go to desktop, command prompt, ping 10.0.0.10. Some corrections were there in that network, so after correcting it, I can able to get ping from other PCs using the IP address of 10.0.0.10. This command checks the connectivity between the PCs and the server. The PCs are successfully communicated with the servers, and the NAT translations entries are displayed. Ping result shows the successful replace, and the NAT status shows the increases hits. Thus, the network address translation was successfully configured on the router to enable the private host to communicate with the external servers through the public network. Thank you.